Hi, I'm Margaret, and today's recipe has been suggested by Sheri and Wesley from the Tiny Asian Pastry Girl channel. They have a fun channel where they taste test various foods. I'll put a link into their channel in the description below so that you can find out for yourselves. So thanks to you guys for suggesting this really quick and easy recipe. I think it must be the fastest one I've done yet. So the first job is to open the pastry and to spread melted butter all over the surface. Sprinkle on the sugar. You could use almost any sugar for this. I'm using golden caster sugar, but I bet it would be lovely with either ordinary caster sugar or even demerara might be quite nice. Make sure it's completely covered. And once you've done that, just get the rolling pin and just push it down gently so that the sugar adheres to the pastry. We're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So a piece of baking paper on top will make it easy to turn over. This pastry, of course, comes on a piece of baking paper. So let's just pull that one off before we do the same on the other side. There goes the butter, and the same with the sugar. Now that rolling pin stuck a little bit last time with the butter and got a bit greasy, so I think I'll use baking paper on top this time. That might make it a little easier. There we go. Let's use the one it came on and give it a little bit of a roll, just gently, to squash down that sugar. So the next bit is using the longest side. I'm going to start rolling it up. I find the easiest way of doing this is to fold over a tiny little bit first, and then that gives it a little starting point because it needs to be quite tight. Roll it up to about the centre, and then the same on the other side until they meet in the middle, and let's give them a little squash so they touch each other. Wrap it up and pop it in the fridge just to firm up. Now it's firm, it will be much easier to cut into individual biscuits. Taking the end off, which might be a bit uneven, I'm going to cut it about 1 centimetre in width. They look tiny at this stage, but they do puff up quite nicely. Onto a baking sheet, nicely spaced out, because they will grow as they're baked, and into a hot oven just for about 15 minutes. And there you go. They cool ever so quickly, so you can bake some up and eat them straight away. They're best fresh. Do let me know if you try them. Have a great week. Catch you soon.